Hey, what's up, guys? Amlan here. First of all, I hope all of you are doing well in this very difficult situation. Today, I just want to talk about a very rare situation that is happening on YouTube. Probably this would be my first time experiencing this on my YouTube career. So, I just want to talk about this different situation, what's happening with me. I'm pretty sure the YouTubers who are watching me right now or who have little to more knowledge about YouTube Studio and how does YouTube work would be able to relate with what exactly I'm saying. So without further ado, watch this video till the end. If you have any suggestions for me, drop that comment in the comment section below and let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and let's get started. So as I was saying, due to this COVID-19 situation and all, we all know that in most of the corporate and organizations, the workforces have been cut to half. This is a very difficult time for all of us. Definitely things are happening differently on YouTube as well. So I'll tell you about my experience. Few days back, I received a community guideline strike on my channel for a video. It was a simple video how to download YouTube videos. If you go to a particular website, you can download any YouTube video, and if I remember, I put that video on YouTube probably 2.5 years back when this YouTube Premium and all this stuff they were not there. So definitely, if you want to download YouTube videos as in today, there are official YouTube ways how you can download YouTube videos, but when I created and posted that video, that was probably only the way how you can download that video. So I got a message from YouTube that your content is violating our community guideline, and so we are reviewing your content. At the same time, without any notification, they removed my content at the same time. So you all might be knowing that once your content is removed, so you get a one chance to appeal to that decision. So I did appeal, and after like 15-20 minutes I got a reply. I mean, my appeal was straight away rejected. So I just wanted to talk about this situation. I mean, it was definitely not the kind of video that would exactly violate the community guidelines, and the category under which it was detected was harmful and dangerous. I've gone through YouTube policies and every policy page by page, so I am totally aware about what comes under the guideline and what not. So I don't think so. Manual human reviews are going on YouTube with this COVID-19 and with all these difficult situations. YouTube is bringing up the automated review system in place, because of which some mistakes are happening, and I got a warning on my channel. So I just wanted to share this bad experience, and also regarding the same, I have mailed YouTube team couple of days back, so I haven't got a reply. So basically, if you go to support.google.com, and you can, I mean, if you have a YouTube channel, you can definitely send an email to YouTube team. But in my case, I did send an email. It's been more than 5 to 6 days. Normally, if the things are normally, you get reply within 1 or 2 days, but it's been 5 to 6 days. I haven't heard back from them. So that's what is going on right now. I'm sure quite a few of you would be able to relate with what exactly I'm saying. Being a creator and not doing anything wrong, getting a warning on your channel means a lot actually. So I just wanted to share these things with you guys. Things are not happening well in terms of revenue, in terms of views, in terms of watch time. Everything is impacted on many channels. So in terms of view and in terms of impression, maybe it is going high because people tend to do work from home, or people are staying home, so probably in that way they are watching more videos than earlier. But in terms of ad revenue generation, in terms of other things are actually drastically going down. Not that good situation to say. So wanted to say, if you are able to relate to me, if you are a YouTube creator, let me know what's your situation. If you have noticed a drastic revenue change in your YouTube channel, so let me know in the comment section. And also regarding the same, what I have shared with you guys, the warning and all, if you guys know any other way through which I can appeal to YouTube team, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments. So that's all for today's video, guys. This was just a quick video what was happening behind the curtains, why I'm not putting so many videos on YouTube these days. So been a bit busy with other things, as well as these things are, quite could be quite disturbing when you are actually passionate about YouTube and you get this kind of warning and strike on your channel. So I hope you all would be able to relate with me, and if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, because I keep posting videos on smartphone updates and unboxing of different gadgets and all. So then again, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.